Hey guys, it's Cody from Sunshine Collections, and today we have another 2017 Panini Contenders Draft Picks. Looking for some cracked ice, of course, as usual, but this is going to be 18 cards per pack, 6 packs per box, and it says 6 autographs per box on average. I'm going to give a special shout out to Steel City Collectibles once again for providing this product at a good price, and the shipping fast, reliable, and quality shipping. So thanks to Steel City Collectibles. There'll be a link below to check these guys out. Great prices, some of the cheapest I've seen on the market for products that I like. So, alright, pack number 1, 2017 Panini Contenders Draft Picks. John Elway, Big Ben, Eli, Terry Bradshaw, Jerry Rice, Andrew Luck, and our hit, Garen Conley, I believe, for Ohio State. Gay college ticket. Garen Conley. Let's see here. Corey Davis, old school colors, I'm sorry. Marcus Mariota, old school colors. Collegiate Connections, Eddie George and Zeke the Freak. We got a game day ticket of number 2 draft pick overall, Mitch Trubisky. We have game day ticket of Deshaun Watson. Jarvis Landry, Alshon, Larry Fitzgerald, Corey Coleman, Mike Evans, and Emmitt Smith. Alright, pack number 2. Yeah, Deshaun Watson and Trubisky on the first pack. That's what's up. Garrett Blunt, Dan Marino, Paxton Lynch, Ezekiel Elliott, Todd Gurley, Joe Namath, and our hit, I think my third one, of Adam Shaheen. Adam Shaheen, unnumbered auto. Adam Shaheen. Deshaun Watson, school colors. Todd Gurley, old school colors. Rush week of Wayne Gallman. We got the game day ticket of Cooper Kupp. Passing grades of Jared Goff. And the rest of the commons, we have Kirk Cousins, Cam Newton, Matt Ryan, Drew Brees, Sterling, and Jared Goff. Alright, pack number 3. So far, Adam Shaheen and Garen Conley for our hits. Melvin Gordon, Eddie Lacy, T.Y. Hilton, Jason Witten, Amari Cooper, Lawrence Taylor. And our hit is awesome pick, defensive end from Stanford, Solomon Thomas. Sweet hit, Solomon Thomas. Weak signature, but he's a good prospect for this year. From Stanford, another Stanford boy, Solomon Thomas. Evan Ingram, school colors. Barry Sanders, old school colors. Collegiate Connections, game day ticket of Travis Rudolph. Game day ticket of Samaje Perine, and the rest of the common, Allen Robinson, Laquan Treadwell, Clay Matthews, Michael Thomas, Von Miller, and Cleo Mack. Alright, that's 3 down, 3 to go. (2017) Panini Contenders Draft Picks once again. Alright, Antonio Brown, Le'Veon Bell, DeAndre Hopkins, Phil Rivers, Frank Gore, Tony Dorsett, and our hit is Ryan Switzer from North Carolina. Ryan Switzer. Ryan Switzer. We got Brad Kaya. Old School Colors. Or School Colors, I'm sorry. Old School Colors is Brian Bosworth. Leonard Fournette for Rush Week. We got Game Day Ticket of John Ross. Awesome. Passing grades of Deshaun Watson. Common is Russell, J.J. Watt, Aaron Rodgers, LaDainian Tomlinson, Rob Gronkowski, and Greg Olsen. Alright. Pack number 5. You know, these cards are nice. I like them. Got the game day picture in the back. Nice, solid made cards. I can respect that. Trevor Siemian invested everything in with that guy last year on my fantasy squad. That didn't get me anywhere, as I'm sure you know. Julio Jones, Braxton Miller, Marshall Faulk, Derrick Henry, Roger Staubach, Jordan Howard, Billy Sims, Marcus Allen, Thomas Rawls, Jim Brown, and Andy Dalton. And our hit is going to be Seth Russell from Baylor. QB from Baylor, Seth Russell. Trying to be ever so gentle. School colors of Mitch Trubisky. Sorry, that's kind of out of picture. John Elway. That's my team. Jamison Dalvin. Collegiate Connections. Game day ticket of Chad Kelly. And game day ticket of Bucky Hodges. Alright, last but not least, the first pack of this series, 2017 Panini Panini Contenders Draft Picks. Isaiah Crowell, AJ Green, Carlos Hyde, Matthew Stafford, Earl Campbell, Steve Young, LaShawn McCoy, David Johnson, Peyton Manning, Fran Tarkenton, Tom Brady. We got a nice hit from David Johnson. It's 86 of 99. I don't know if you guys can see that. '86 of 99. David Johnson. And then our hit from the University of Houston is Tyus Bowser. Tyus Bowser. We got school colors of Leonard Fournette. Old school colors of Emmett. Rush week of Ezekiel Elliott. Christian McCaffrey game day ticket. And Jameis Winston passing grades. Awesome. So in the conclusion of pack of 2017 Panini Contenders Draft Picks, we have our 6 autographs and an additional hit. Starting off with Seth Russell, Tyus Bowser, college ticket of Ryan Switzer, college ticket of Adam Shaheen, college ticket of Solomon Thomas, college ticket of Baron Conley, and a bold ticket of David Johnson, 86 of 99. David Johnson. Awesome. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We have more coming your way. So just stay tuned and check it out. We'll see you.